Welcome to another episode of Living in Fort Worth. Today I'm actually in Arlington, not in Fort Worth, but it's our close neighbor. This property is about to hit the market. Want to give you guys a tour. This is 4505 Deer Lodge. It is in Arlington, as I said. It sits on a no outlet street, no HOA. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, has some nice updates in the inside, nice mature trees, freshly trimmed in this quiet neighborhood. You can see freshly mowed grass. They do have their own mailbox here. Plenty of parking, a little bit deeper than a standard a car length here. There's a retaining wall on the left side. You can see that they do have gas. Gas is for the water heater, the furnace, and also for the gas starter on the fireplace. You have this nice little entry here. I would love to see if somebody put out like a lawn chairs and had this as a hangout area. That bay window is in one of the bedrooms. It has actually a nice built-in window bench with storage, which is lovely. And then that window is for one of the secondary bedrooms. So let's take a look inside. When you first enter, you notice this updated living space, dining space area, all open. Carpet is in really good shape, and you have a front entry here. You do have a closet right off the front entry, and they've gone through and they've updated quite a bit of the lighting in the home as well. So you have your dining room here, and that leads out to the kitchen, breakfast area, laundry, garage. You have a sunk-in living room with the wood paneling, which is coming back. I've actually been seeing a lot more people preferring or wanting that wood tones back in their houses. We went a little over white and gray, and now things are transitioning back to more earth tones for sure. Notice the 2 skylights, gives a lot of extra light here in the living room. And then you have a gas starter wood burning fireplace here. Good size mantle, and it has this built-in here, which adds a little bit of extra character. It's a comfortable space, enough room for a 3-piece set potentially, and you could choose to have your TV where they have their TV, or you could choose to have it over the fireplace mantle. Heading into the kitchen and the breakfast area, they have new laminate floors in here into the breakfast and kitchen. This kitchen has a good amount of cabinet space actually. It has an updated cooktop. It has a double oven. And then they've added some extra storage here behind these doors transitioning to the dining room, but you do have extra storage in your laundry space here. So you have all of this extra storage and some extra storage up above as well. For the era of home, this actually has a really good size laundry room. Sometimes we'll see where it's half this size and you have washer on one side and dryer on the other. So there's space here between the units, which is nice, and some extra storage there. Then going back towards the dining room. Headed down the hall, there's me. HVAC has been updated, a newer Lennox unit that's only a couple years old. And then you have the bedrooms all down the same hall. This right here is the primary. Vaulted ceilings in here as well, good size. You have hers and hers closets. So you have a closet here, pretty deep, and then you also have a closet on this side, even bigger. And then you have the double vanity, so you have space to do like a makeup station here if you wanted. And then you have the 2 sinks, some extra light on either side, which is nice to have the privacy but the extra lighting. And then you have a WC separate room with some extra storage there. And you also have a shower, walk-in shower here. So there's the walk-in shower in here. So you could definitely add a little bamboo bench or something in there if you wanted. You could easily make this more private if you wanted to put in a door there or a barn door. Also, it's a pretty good size footprint, so if you did want to renovate this bathroom and redo the structure, the layout, you absolutely could. But it's pretty functional with the two separate closets, two separate sinks, and then the shower over there. Headed on into the secondary bedrooms. We have the hall bathroom here. So it has an updated countertop, has lots and lots of storage in here. These older homes have so much extra storage, which I love. New flooring in here as well. And then the shower, it is not an insert, it's actual tile. It appears to be in pretty good shape actually. And then headed into the secondary bedrooms. You have two more bedrooms over here. All of this has the nicer, thicker carpet. I have my shoes off because it actually feels quite nice on my toesies. This one has a walk-in closet, so nice and deep. It's about the same size as the primary closet. And this window actually looks out towards the front area, the little sitting space off the front. And then I love the window bench on this room. This is bedroom number 3, and I would probably call this as my office because I love this window bench that actually does open and has storage in there. You have these nice 3 windows looking out on the front. And then this room has a little bit deeper than a standard closet, but it does have pretty good storage as well. All of these bedrooms have ceiling fans. They have updated hardware, light neutral colors. Now I'm going to take you into the garage. We just peeked in the laundry room, but we didn't actually go out there. The garage is also a good size. It's actually deeper than a standard 2-car, has some additional storage space. That's your attic access. Has some extra built-ins in here. And this wall is a pegboard to make it easy to attach stuff to the wall. It's a normal, usable 2-car garage. And then we're gonna head out to the backyard. All right, out in the backyard, you notice this wood back porch right off of the back door. Lots of green space, ready for a garden or to throw a ball or have a grill in the evening. You can see the mature trees back here. It's nice because a lot of the newer neighborhoods don't really have very many trees, so it's nice to have those. This neighborhood does not have an HOA, and also some fresh dirt work and gutters here on the house. This home is close to Green Oaks Boulevard and also close to I-20 with convenient highway access. Makes it easy to get to work or to get to shops nearby. This street right here is actually just a cul-de-sac, so there's only about 10 homes here on this little street, and then it just turnarounds. So it's a nice quiet street that really only has delivery people like UPS or Amazon, or it's homeowners coming home after the long day. As you can see, neighbors really care about their landscaping. They have benches and nice greenery. Everybody is excited about the spring and getting their yards all pretty. And this home is ready for a new owner. Headed down towards Parliament Drive. You'll also see other homes in comparable condition. As well. Could you see yourself living on Deer Lodge Court?